Santa's little helpers are just as important to Christmas as the big guy in red himself, but they sometimes get overlooked, and we want to give them a makeover. We believe that they should feel special too, so we're going to dress the elf and see just how many combinations of outfits we can create for the magical elves this Christmas. This is a super quick and easy one to do with the little ones. It starts with our template that you can download for free from the link below. Then you'll need all your crafting gear for this one. Scissors and a ruler, you'll need some glitter, glue, pom-poms and sparkly bits to decorate, and your pens. You'll also need some blue tack for when we come to attach the clothes to our elf. First and foremost, the job is to get decorating. You can give the elf a face, colour in the body, colour in the clothes. Here's one that I started earlier. We've got some lovely designs here. I'm going to colour in Santa's waist belt for the elf and pop some more dots on the shorts. Lovely, and you can pop glitter on them as well. Next is a bit of a tricky part. It's a bit fiddly, so don't be afraid to ask an adult for help with this. We need to cut out the elf and all of the clothes. So make sure you don't cut the tabs off on each side because you'll need them to attach the clothes to your elf. If you start chopping out everything that you're going to need, we need the elf, we need the clothes, we need the elf's hats, everything. Take your time because going around the corners can be fiddly. Here are my clothes that I've decorated with glitter, and I've done some rainbow shorts and lots of different combinations for our magical elf. Let's get our elf on its feet. The box that the elf is standing on is flat. It's 2D, but it's got a dotted line through the middle. So we want to fold it backwards to make a stand, like this. If you get your ruler, you can score a line through here, which will help you to do it straight. Fold it backwards. And there we have it, our little elf all standing up, ready. Okay, so all that's left is to get your elf dressed. Pull off some blobs of blue tack and choose what your elf is going to wear. Now, when you look at the item, you'll need to pop the blobs on the back that's not decorated, so that when you pop them on, you can stick them around the back. Funky shorts. And I think I'm going to give my elf a hat as well. Again, sticking the blobs around the back on the tabs. And on goes my elf's hat. Excellent. Why not try different combinations? You can practice your maths. Perhaps a different shirt and a different hat, or a different pair of trousers. And how many different ways or combinations can you make with the original 2 shirts, 2 trousers and 2 hats? You'll have to use multiplication to find out the answer. 2 shirts and 2 trousers and 2 hats are lots of different combinations. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8 outfits. I wonder how many combinations can we make if we made the elf a new shirt? 3 shirts times 2 trousers times 2 hats is 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. 12 outfits now. Right, I have a question for you. How many clothes would the elf need to be able to wear a different combination for the whole of December? Post your answers to us on social media with the hashtag #SantaLovesSTEM so we can see your great creations and maths in action. And if you want to do more activities in the meantime, why not make your very own advent calendar or some festive eggnog for the whole family? Just visit Santa's STEM workshop online at the link below. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!